Can you talking inside Open the door.
Hey! What are you guys doing to my wife?
Wait! We service aircon one.
It's the aircon?
Why so drama? Go Daikin lah! Need a trusted and secured air conditioning service provider? Book your aircon cleaning service appointment today with Go Daikin.
Want a cold one? Dear, our aircon is not cold. When was the last time we serviced the aircon?
3 years ago.
What? 3 years ago?
Okay, dear, I'll find someone to come service it, okay?
Faster lah.
Yup.
Finally.
Hello, miss.
I didn't order any food.
Food? No, miss. Today I don't deliver food. I'm here to service your aircon.
Okay.
Problem. Ladder?
Huh? You okay?
Okay. Come on. Professional. Miss, you may now enjoy your cool air.
It's done? Okay.
Bawa apa ni?
My God!
Why so drama? Go Daikin lah! Let the certified air conditioning specialist take care of your aircon problems. Book your aircon cleaning service appointment today with Go Daikin.
Didn't we just service the aircon? It's not cold at all. And the electricity consumption is a lot higher.
Hi, boss. Welcome. What can I do for you?
Hi. My aircon seems to be having more problems since your service. Can I check on the
Problem?
service?
No problem. Come, I show you. All my customers are famous people.
Look, about the service warranty.
Warranty? You want warranty?
No! Come on!
Why so drama? Go Daikin lah! No reason to be worried when you have 60 days workmanship warranty. Book your aircon cleaning service appointment today with Go Daikin.
Perfecting the air, Daikin.